How do acids and bases react with metals? Let us see the reaction between dilute sulfuric acid and zinc granules. Page number 19, activity 2.3. Materials required: a test tube, a delivery tube, soap solution, a stand and a candle. Set the apparatus as shown in the figure. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube. Add few pieces of zinc granules to it. What do you observe? A gas is produced inside the test tube. Some bubbles will be formed on the surface of zinc granules. Pass this gas through the soap solution. Students, watch the video for better understanding. On the surface of soap solution, you can observe some bubbles. Bring a burning candle near the bubbles. What do you observe? The bubbles burst and the gas present in it catch fire with a pop sound. This pop sound indicates that the gas produced is hydrogen. Now let us write the reaction between sulfuric acid and zinc granules. Sulfuric acid, its formula is H2SO4. Zinc granules, zinc, its symbol is Zn, gives zinc sulfate. Zinc displaces hydrogen atom from the acid. It forms zinc sulfate and liberates hydrogen gas. H2SO4 acid plus a metal gives a salt. Here zinc sulfate is a salt plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is liberated during the reaction between an acid and a metal. Now let us write the reaction between hydrochloric acid and zinc granules. Hydrochloric acid, its formula is HCl. Zinc granules, Zn. Now this zinc displaces hydrogen atom from hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen atom is displaced first. Next is ZnCl2. ZnCl2. It forms a salt. Here the salt is zinc chloride. Now let us see the reaction between a base and a metal. For example, base and a metal. Here we have studied the reaction between an acid and a metal. Now base. The base will take sodium hydroxide. Metal will take the same metal, that is zinc, gives sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2. It liberates hydrogen gas, H2. This is sodium zincate, ZnCate. Now balance this equation. Here it is 2 atoms of sodium. You write here 2 atoms. Oxygen, 2 atoms of oxygen. Here there are 2 atoms. Hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen. Here there are 2 atoms. Zinc, 1 atom of zinc, 1 atom of zinc. Now this is balanced. How do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids? Page number 20, activity 2.5. Let us see the reaction of metal carbonates with acids. Materials required: 2 test tubes, a delivery tube, sodium carbonate, dilute hydrochloric acid, calcium hydroxide solution. Procedure: take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate in a test tube. Add dilute hydrochloric acid through the funnel. Observe the changes that occur in the test tube. A gas is produced inside the test tube. Pass this gas through calcium hydroxide solution, or it is called lime water. When the gas is passed through lime water, it turns lime water into milky. This shows that the gas produced is carbon dioxide. Now let us write the reaction between sodium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. Sodium carbonate, it is Na2CO3. Na2CO3, it is in solid state, plus dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. Formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. It is in aqueous state. The product obtained is NaCl, sodium chloride. It is in aqueous state, plus water, H2O, liquid state, and the gas produced is carbon dioxide. Write its state. Now balance this equation. 2 atoms of sodium, here only 1 atom, you multiply this NaCl by 2. Chlorine, here 2 atoms of chlorine, here 1 atom of chlorine, multiply this HCl by 2. Carbon, C, 1 atom, here 1 atom, balanced. Oxygen, here 3 atoms of oxygen, here 1 plus 2, 3 atoms. Now it is a balanced equation. Now pass this gas through lime water or calcium hydroxide solution. On passing carbon dioxide through lime water or calcium hydroxide solution, lime water or calcium hydroxide solution, CaOH by 2, calcium hydroxide solution, lime water, sunnada neeru, plus it is in which state? It is in aqueous state, plus carbon dioxide, it is in the gaseous state, gives CaCO3, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, it is in the solid state, plus water, H2O. This is a single product. In the water there are some insoluble particles. The insoluble particles are nothing but calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is in the precipitate form. It is white precipitate. It is in insoluble form. It is a white precipitate. PRECIPITATE. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, here little carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water solution or calcium hydroxide. On passing excess, when more gas is passed over lime water, excess of carbon dioxide, CaCO3, this product, plus H2O is there already, it is in solid state, H2O liquid state, plus on passing excess, through this on passing excess CO2 gas, it forms CaHCO3 by 2. This is called calcium bicarbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate, calcium bicarbonate. It is soluble in water. it is in aqueous state, it is soluble in water. Soluble in water, you cannot identify this calcium hydrogen carbonate in water. It is soluble in water. Here the white precipitate obtained you can identify because it is insoluble in water. Now let us see the reaction between metal hydrogen carbonate and acids. Metal hydrogen carbonate, it is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Page number 20, test tube B. Sodium hydrogen carbonate plus dilute hydrochloric acid. Right state, it is in the solid state, it is in the aqueous state. The product obtained is sodium chloride, same like metal carbonate, sodium chloride plus water. Product is same like sodium carbonate. Liquid state plus the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. Now pass this gas through lime water. The product formed sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. In the case of metal hydrogen carbonate, the same product is obtained, NaCl, H2O plus CO2. Pass this gas produced through lime water, or it is called calcium hydroxide solution. You will get calcium carbonate, it is a white precipitate, it is insoluble in water. On passing excess of carbon dioxide through this product, calcium carbonate, H2O, because it is excess of carbon dioxide passed through this, it forms calcium hydrogen carbonate. It is soluble in water. So, all metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids to give corresponding salt. NaCl, NaCl, corresponding salt, gas, carbon dioxide gas, and water, H2O, H2O. All metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids to give salt, NaCl, NaCl, gas, carbon dioxide, and water, H2O, H2O. Now we can write the equation. It is metal carbonate, CAR, metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, with acid plus acid. It gives, what is the product obtained? It gives NaCl, it is a salt plus a gas is produced. You write the gas produced is carbon dioxide. The gas produced is carbon dioxide plus liquid water.